Hello and welcome to Practical Game Development in Unity 4, Level 1. My name is Nelson LeKay, and I'll be your instructor. Steve Curtis will be joining me in the role of a more designer-oriented game developer, just to make sure I don't go too far off the rails. This video series is all about the practical approach to using the tools made available to us in Unity 4 to create our very own video game. We'll be creating a Missile Commander clone, which is awesome because it allows us to explore many of the features Unity gives us, such as collision detection, asset management, basic GUIs, particle effects, and quite a bit more. The purpose of this series is to lead by example, and as a result, everything we discuss will be put to immediate use in the form of completing our game. In addition, we take full advantage of Unity's component-oriented architecture to create a modular framework that allows even non-programmers to configure our levels and stages. Don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds, and it truly is the way Unity is meant to be used. However, we will expect a beginner-level competency in C# in order to follow along, but this accelerated, focused approach will allow for people to follow along even if they've never touched Unity before, while still remaining relevant and educational for existing Unity users. I hope you guys enjoy the series as much as we did creating it, so let's go ahead and get started.